Hello, I am Thomas Fox with 3blenders.com. We are going to do a smoothie, actually not a smoothie, a applesauce with an OMNI 5 blender. As you can see, 64-ounce container, 3 horsepower blender motor, but it yields about 2 horsepower Vitamix equivalency. These are our ingredients. We have the red stuff, those are the Goji berries. That's 1/3 of a cup, 1/2 of a cup almonds, and 2 apples sliced in quarter section, and then we have 1.5 carrot. I wanted to put a bigger size in there, so approximately, if you can tell, that amount carrot, and some water. The water I'm going to put in first so we can actually see how many ounces. It's just about one cup of water, 4 ounces. And now we're going to take the apples. I have one hand because with my other hand I'm filming. So put these apples in there. It's quite a bit of apples, actually. We may have to put a little bit more water in there, I have to admit. And then some Goji berries. I'm going to leave a few of the Goji berries left for decoration, because you're going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some pictures, make some really nice dessert or even some breakfast. I'm going to put the lid on, and what do you think? Off we go. Turn it on, and we're going to put it at 90 seconds. May need to tamper. And the beeping signalizes it is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of that really nice, I don't know what I call it, applesauce with carrot and well, almonds and Goji berries. Now bear with me for a second while I go to the refrigerator and get my favorite yogurt, which I actually buy. You can see this here, great value. I buy that at, guess what, Walmart. You don't have to go to Walmart, but I like it. Plain yogurt, full of acidophilus, and a couple big soup spoon of that, and stir that. Look how pretty that looks. And just about ready to eat. And then we need a few of those. Is that something? I really love it. Applesauce, yogurt, almonds, goji berries, Delicious. Enjoy.